Hello my dear kids, good morning. We have already learned vowels and the usage of vowels. Today we will do a revision and this revision will be with an activity. So it will be a fun. Let's start it. So my dear children, we have already learned about vowels, the usage of a, the usage of an, and how many vowels? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So today we will do a revision. This is a revision class regarding where to use a and where to use an. Now see, I have made two beautiful trees. Isn't it look gorgeous? And there are some of the leaves. See, the leaves are dried up, so it is yellow. Okay. Now I have written something on the leaves. There are some words that I have. Now you have to decide which word will come with a and which word will come with an. So let's start. See the word, there is a first one. What is it? Fan. Fan. Now focus on the first letter, F. Is it a vowel or consonant, children? Vowel, A, E, I, O, U. Anything? No. So what is it? This is a consonant. So we will paste this one on this tree because consonants comes with A and vowel comes with an. So now let's paste it. Take some gum. Yes. Okay. We are done. Now paste it here. See? Fan. Now I have what I have? U-N-I, uni, F-O-R-M, form, uniform. Uniform, our school dress is an uniform. Now U, is it a vowel or consonant? Yes, this is a vowel. So where it will come? It will come with an. So let's paste it here. Nice. Now come here. Which word? Hut. H-U-T. Hut. H. H means vowel or consonant? Absolutely consonant. So where? It will come with obviously A. Let's fix it. Yes. See. Now what is it? Hen. Again H. Again this is a consonant. So where to come? Yes. Yes, my intelligent kids. It will come here only with A. Now come here. This is E-Y-E. I. How many eyes do we have? 2 eyes. Now see the beginning alphabet. Is it vowel or consonant? Yes, vowel. So where it will go? It will go with an. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. Now see, I-C-E, ice. Ice? Yes, it feels cool. Now, where I will come? With A or N? Yes, with an. So nice. Now see again another word. Bag. We all have our school bag, right? So B is a vowel or consonant? Consonant. So it will go with surely A. So please fixed it. Now we will go with U. U-R-N, earn. In my previous picture, and video, I have told you what is an urn, right? It looks like a pot. So U, is it a vowel or consonant? Vowel. So where it will go? It will go here. Yes. Nice. Now N-U-T, nut. Nut in Bengali it is badam, and it gives us a strong memory. We all should have nut every day. Now see N. N is a vowel or consonant? Yes, consonant. So let's do it here with A. This is the tub. Tub. In the tub, we can take a bath. There is a tub, no? Bathtub. It's so nice to having a bath in the bathtub. Now see, T. T is a vowel or consonant? Yes, consonant. So it will come here only. Now this is I-G, ig. L-O-O-L-U, igloo. Igloo means what? Igloo is a small house that we can see in the iced area. That is called igloo. So now I is a vowel or consonant? Yes, vowel. So where to fix it? Obviously with an. Now this word. See, we all know it. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. We all love our school, and our school's name is Satish Chandra Memorial School. So S is a consonant. We will fix it here, my children. Now see this word. Can. Can means the can we can found in Pepsi, and it will be a juice can, anything. Okay, so C is a consonant. It will come here only. Now unicorn. U-N-I, uni. C-O-R-N, corn. Unicorn. Unicorn is an imaginary character. Actually, it not exist, but it looks like a horse, and it have a horn over its head. But U, focus on the letter U. Is it a vowel or consonant? Yes, vowel. So where to put it? Here to put it. Now this is, again we have one word. The name is oval. We all learned the oval shape. We all learned about oval shape? Yes. What is an example of oval shape? Egg. Egg is an oval. So, where to put it? Here. Now, this is octopus. It's a sea animal. Octopus. Yes, it's very funny. Please visit Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. O-C-T-O. Octo. P-U-S. Pus. So, O is an vowel. It will come with an. Now see, children. Isn't it colorful? See properly? Yes. It's very colorful, no? So, can I think that you will do this like my way? Yes. And you will promise me that you will do it? Okay. So, this was the revision of A and an. Please practice it. Hope you will understand very quickly and you will do better. Okay. So, till then, bye-bye and thank you.